Hello, my name is Oscar, and I will be showing how to upload an STL file and prepare that 3D model for slicing. So the first step is to add the file, and I can choose the file from my computer, or just I can drag and drop it, and it will upload that file to the platform. And looks like it's already done. So I can open it up by clicking on the file here or just selecting layout. And this will render the file. As you can see, it's 3PROS duck called McDuckly. And I can move it around, see how it's better positioned. I can choose the printer where I want to print this on, so it will affect the correct build plate size. And I can rotate it as well any way I want. So in this case, I'm gonna just put it somewhere out there just to show you how optimal rotate works. So if I click on that, then it will automatically put it on the bed the best way it will think to print this specific part. And we also have align face to bed, so I can choose the specific surface or face where I want to position this on. So if I wanted to put the duck on its head, I can do that pretty quickly. And also, when I want to put it back the way it was, I can choose that surface again. I can scale it and choose max bed size. So this is the largest I can do here on this printer. I'm going to reset that, and I'm going to put it on the bed and center it again, just in case. And if I wanted to do more ducks, I can just copy the file as well, and it will just create 2 more instantaneously. I'm going to remove them because I don't really need them for now. And I can also analyze the part to see if the first layer is actually touching the build plate. So as you can see, it is nicely on the bed. And as you know, 90% of the time, that's the most likely failure that could happen when you're going against gravity. And I can double check if I need supports, what kind of infill, if there's any holes or intersections in the mesh. I can also add more files here, but I'm not going to do that for now. So it looks like this is ready to go, and I can go ahead and click slice. So that would take me to the next step. Thank you, everybody. Bye.